Oh, hell yeah, let's do it. Dude, shout out to my guy who just pulled up. Dude, what's up, man? Let's go. Pulled up to some barbecue, brother. Heard this place is nice, man. Seen it on a lot of lists. Let's see what's up. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. They even got the proper ice. You know what we're about to do, man. A little bit of that. A little bit of that. Hang on, bro. Are you fucking serious right now? The burnt ends, the Wagyu brisket. We got 2 types of pickles. Turkey, collard greens, beans. Oh yeah, would you look at that? We got ourselves another airport sesh, man. Lighter, doink, Arnold Palmer with the majority sweet tea, maybe 70-30 little blend. Dallas, you treated me absolutely amazing. I saw the Saints win in person against my most hated team, the Cowboys. Linked up with the homie Groovy Mac. That video is gonna come soon. Just had a fantastic amount of barbecue and food and good drinks that are cheap and not $30 per drink or 20, you know what I mean? Like LA is. 30 is a little bit of an exaggeration, but it's a crazy world out there, man. We got the airplanes going off and everything. We're here at DFW. My flight's in 2 hours. I'm here way early. By the way, that barbecue was some of the best I've ever had. Ridiculous. Also, bro, the homie that drove me to the airport worked there. He was a fan, by the way, might I add. A lot of people say, only kids watch you, Eric. Only high schoolers watch you. Bro, this guy was married, you know what I mean? He was a little bit older cat, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to anybody that I meet. I also meet a lot of fans that are like, yo, my son watches you, put me on, you know what I mean, kind of vibe. So like, if their son's old enough to consume the content, then they gotta be up there as well. So shout out to all my older fans. Shout out to all my parents that watch, bro. I don't know why I just got that inkling at the airport thinking about babies on the plane and shit. Shout out to all my stoner dads. Shout out to all my stoner moms. That's incredible, man. We got ourselves a fatty right here. I don't know if you can see what I'm lighting up. We got ourselves a whole eighth, a whole 3-gram bad boy. We got that Con Kush, baby. Some of that permanent marker, some of the best-selling stuff. If you want to get some of this shipped straight to your doorstep, you can and all that. It's pretty delicious, and it's 50 state legal. That doesn't mean that this is allowed. Of course, this is all CGI. This is all a green screen. This is all just some sick video editing. Listen, man, I pay my editor a lot of motherfucking money for these scenes, all right? This isn't even a real parking garage. That's not even a real GMC truck. You know what I mean? It's kind of incredible what AI and what video editing can do nowadays, but it can put this tea in my hand and it can put this little bleezy in my face. I'm all for it, man. I'm all for it. I'm kind of scared to go over here near the people, though. We'll go over here. This thing is fat as shit. We did roll it up with the Brothers Broadleaf, of course. One of the best things that you can put your butt in. If it's not a paper, all right? Paper's on top, of course. Holy shit, it's hot. As soon as that sun touches you, it's like ridiculous, brother. I might just go sit down over here in the shade. You know what I think we can do? I think we can sit on this curb and I can put my little tripod on top of my luggage. Oh, son. I thought it looks sweaty and gross. It's because it's sweaty and gross outside. Very disgusting. I'm hearing all these noises and shit. I'm getting scared, brother. We gotta smoke this quick. Let's inhale this blunt real quick. I feel like every time you're smoking at a place you shouldn't be, of course green screen, but I feel like every time you're just doing it, it feels like you get way more baked. Like, I'm only like 5-6 hits in and I'm feeling fucking silly right now. I'm feeling ridiculous. I'm also kind of scared to sit down because I want to see my environments around me, see if I have to put this shit out real quick or anything, you know what I mean? You always got to be active. You always got to be looking. What if I get a lick hit on me right now? You know, you never know. Probably not at the airport. Actually, definitely not at this airport. This airport's crazy, bro. You literally, I know there's a couple airports like this. You literally have to fucking pay for a ticket, like a parking garage, like get a ticket and pay every single time you go to the airport. So like Uber drivers have to pay like $2 every time they come get a ride here. If you're dropping someone off, you have to pay $2. If you're picking someone up, you have to pay $2. It's crazy. And if you spend a little bit more than like 10-15 minutes, I'm sure it goes to like 10 or something. Anyway, let me know in the comments right now, what's the best beverage to go along with the sesh, and why is it actually sweet tea? And if it's not sweet tea, is it lemonade? Strawberry lemonade? Water, obviously, but water doesn't count. Water doesn't count, you know what I mean? Maybe I'm not in the right spot, because there's like cars coming behind me and shit right there. Uh-oh. They were looking for sure. Yeah, man, every time I'm at an airport, it blows my mind. Like, I never ever traveled in middle school and high school, bro. Like, you know when you come back from summer and then like the teachers would be like, yo, what did you do over the summer? I tell this story all the time. All my homies would always travel, and I would never ever travel, and it would always be so cool. I'm like, man, I wish I was on an airplane. And now I'm here, like, going on an airplane all the time for work, damn near. Like, this is my job, kind of, which blows my mind. I don't even know. Listen, you can do whatever the fuck you want, all right? The world's just waiting for you to take it by the balls. Like, it's waiting for the pussy to be grabbed, you know, on some fucking D-Trump shit. Wouldn't recommend grabbing any other pussy, but like if life is a pussy, grab that shit, bro. Grab that shit, twist it a little bit. What the fuck? Take advantage of it, man. It's one life. You get one life. A lot of people don't realize that. I feel like a lot of people live like they get multiple lives type shit, you know? A lot of people live reckless. A lot of people, like, I'm all down for risk and shit, but like, bro, dangerous risk, like, you guys gotta be fucking careful out there, man. You gotta use this one life wisely, bro. Like, do as much as you can, live like there's no tomorrow. I feel like a lot of people don't take that saying very seriously or very literally, where it's like, bro, if you didn't wake up tomorrow, what would you do today? You know, like, would you really get after it? Fuck yeah, of course you would. There's no reason not to, you know what I'm saying? Like, fucking get up. You don't even have to get up. You can get after it from the comfort of your own home. That's like the fucking brilliance, that's the awesomeness of the internet, right? Like, I could have been doing this exact video in my fucking room and it would have maybe had the same impact. It's cool that we're at the airport. It's cool that we're at a garage, you know? It's a cool little setting. Of course it's all CGI, but it's a vibe. It's like a dream sesh, you know? I don't know if I've ever smoked a blunt in an airport before. I've smoked like some dabs, you know? You can hit the Puffco at the airport, no doubt. The more pacing I do, the sweatier I get, the more out of breath I get. How do y'all smoke blunts all the time, man? Like, I smoked a blunt with Groovy Mac earlier, and this is my second one of the day, and I'm tapped. Like, I don't even want to finish this. How the fuck, bro? Like, the homie that picked me up, bro, you know what he said to me? Maybe some of the craziest shit I've ever heard, bro. He was like, yeah, man, like, I be smoking a lot too. He was like, I smoke 3 blunts before work, smoke a couple woods a day. Like, I'm like, you know, 3 to 5 blunts a day. And I was like, brother, like, maybe you should be the fucking weed tuber. Like, I don't smoke that much. Like, that's crazy. I be taking a few bong rips, a few dabs for sure per day, but like, damn, y'all motherfuckers get high. I like that. I like that a lot, honestly. I had to hook them up with a little pen. I had to hook them up with some good stuff. Definitely gonna hook them up with some Con Kush. That's a lot of love right there. There's another employee in the barbecue shop that recognized me as well. I had to get a picture. Listen, if you ever see me in public, ever, no matter what I'm doing, make sure to come say what's up, get a little picture, you know what I'm saying? Fucking, I don't know, you got a marker on you, I'll sign something. It's kind of crazy that people even want my fucking autograph. Like, I think it's worth 1 penny, maybe 2 pennies, but like, shit, I'll sign whatever you fucking want, man. I don't give a fuck. Look at the ash on this motherfucker. Oh, I just ashed it all over me. We'll be all right. I'm not gonna lie, one more car, and I'm gonna get a little sketched out. I think 3 strikes and you're out, right? You don't wanna run my luck. Bro, listen, I'm in Texas. Dallas decriminalized, all right? They didn't decriminalize concentrate, but they did decriminalize flower. So I don't know if I can walk around with this. Like I said, Con Kush is legal in all 50 states, but it always depends. You know, cops are fucking assholes. If that cop's having a bad day, you never know. I don't know what cops are told nowadays. But also, I know Gavin Newsom just outlawed all extra cannabinoid kind of THC products, like the Deltas and the HHs and all that stuff. So it's very crazy, man. I feel like a lot of other states are going to start to follow suit. So make sure to get this Con Kush while you can. It's definitely not going to last forever. But if you're in a legal state, of course, make sure to get some Pine Park. Pine Park just launched in Florida. We might just do another activation there in a couple months. I'm very excited. If you didn't come out to the Florida meet and greet, make sure to come out. It's going to be a good time. See, this goes in my face, and I don't know whether to like hit the blunt or drink on the little tea that I have. Dude, I am getting fucking annihilated. I'm ripped. I feel like I'm significantly sweatier than a few minutes ago too, but maybe I'm just in my own head. Doobies at DFW, what the fuck is going on right now? I love you guys. I honestly can't wait for that Groovy Mac video to come out. I fuck with Groovy Mac heavily. That's like one of the people that inspired me to start making videos. The fact that like he fucks with me now and like, you know, we can be chilling, we're peers and you know, we're homies now. That's dope. I fuck with that very heavily, man. I'm a big fan of that. That's another thing, like that, bro. All the people that I know now are just like people that I watched online growing up type shit, you know? Like it's very easy. I don't want to say it's easy. That's kind of crazy. It's very possible, right? It's very possible for you watching this to do what I'm doing right now. Like I just want everyone to understand that. Like I try to say that every video and people probably think I'm beating the dead horse, but I'm just really, like there's not many weed tubers, bro. This shit's gonna blow up over the next 5-10 years. Like I'm just saying, there's enough room at the table for us all to eat. In fact, there's some motherfucking empty seats. There's some empty seats at the dinner table and there's a fuckload of food. So like who would I be to like try to take some leftovers or try to get some seconds or thirds? Like bro, I'm not gonna eat it. You know what I mean? Like I would love to eat it all. I'm trying my best to eat as much as I possibly can. But like everyone wants that good shit. Look, there's that third car coming up back there. I think I'm good, man. I love you guys so much. Let's take Con Kush-ups, push-ups, 5 hits real quick. Maybe even 7. Put that out real quick. Oh, damn, that's sketchy. That's a little sketchy. Looks like we put it out just in time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for smoking along with me. Follow your dreams, do whatever the fuck you want, and I'll see you guys at the top. Peace. No, and I dropped the blunt, bro. They distracted me.